Let's take this show on the road. Ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get.
It'll take 23 minutes. Walk.
So we're ready to walk again?
Wait, the Empire State is like right here?
Yeah.
Empire State Building.
We're close to everything.
Phone, do not disturb. My boyfriend's wow. I need my girl's worlds are surrounded.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome to Central Park in New York. We haven't recorded anything since we landed yesterday, but we went to Times Square.
Oh man.
We're not going back.
Yeah.
And today we went and got Ralph coffee.
Yep.
And we did a couple of photo shoots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice little
What do you think?
chill day so far.
What do you think of New York?
New York is cool. Crowded, but it's cool so
Yeah.
far. Yeah.
We had good pizza.
We did.
I don't remember, where did we go?
New York Suprema.
Yeah.
Right across from the one and only Madison Square Garden.
Yeah, we just landed. We were hungry, so we just went to go get food, and we didn't really do anything beside that. And then we walked a lot. We did
about
like
20,000 steps.
20,000.
Or even more than that.
So Amol went to the what is it?
Brooklyn Bagel Company.
Yeah, I didn't go.
It's a good spot.
I already ate the other bagel, but this is everything bagel with jalapeno, cream cheese.
Whoa, look at that.
And then Amol, what did you get? Here, let me see.
I got myself. It's the jalapeno shago bagel, but with scallion and bacon cream.
Ooh, let me see.
Ooh, that smells good.
Let me see. And Amol is making us do a lot of touristy stuff. That's why we are at the Brooklyn Bridge. It's so beautiful over here. Would you come back again?
We have to.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm just kidding. No, I
New
would
York
come
is
back.
so big.
New York is big. We've been eating a lot, so that's why we've been walking a lot.
Yeah.
And we just came from the Manhattan Bridge. So we really are doing a lot of touristy stuff.
Beautiful.
But it's beautiful, so that's why we're here.
Yeah, look at the skyline in the background.
Yeah. Hopefully we get to do the ferry tomorrow.
I hope so too, yeah, that'll be fun. Your dress looks beautiful.
Thank you. You want to see it?
Flowy. Nice.
This time it's not from Dish. It's
Somewhere
from
else.
J. Crew.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. Yeah.
Nice. Are you tired? What's wrong with your arm?
I don't know. I need a massage.
You need massage?
Yeah.
Okay.
When my wife to do massage.
I think it's because you were carrying this purse.
I don't know how y'all do it. Chico don't want to talk anymore. Chico doesn't want to talk to us. Come on.
He doesn't want to follow him.
He's right here though. I see him now.
He's laughing. Got him. Hey.
We are, this is your uncle or cousin? Cousin. This is your auntie. This is your cousin. They came in New York all the way to surprise us.
Wow.
But your cousin is being a little butt.
Uh-huh. Because I want
He
to.
doesn't want to.
But you guys are gonna be running around.
Y'all gonna be
soon,
best
so-
friends.
Y'all gonna be best friends. Yeah.
By force.
By force.
By all force. We're at the World Trade Center in a mall underground. It's so cool. AKA the Dubai of New York.
Dubai of New York. So, are you gonna buy me expensive stuff over here?
Yes, that can be arranged. Let me contact my contacts in the Cayman Islands. Let me get a couple of trades pulled through on Wall Street since we're on Wall Street now.
Financial
Financial
district.
district.
Yep.
So yeah.
So, we're gonna come home with a lot of expensive stuff that Amol is going to buy from his friends.
Got the ferry tickets.
Uh-huh.
Slip 2 where we're going. Ooh. Yeah.
Always eating.
That's my baby.
Hey.
I love my baby.
Welcome to New York and Jersey.
Yeah. Yeah. And so they literally built on top. They built the buildings on top of where the trains were.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You can watch a sport.
I know. That's cool. That's cool.
Where did you go?
It's over here. It's a New York
Mediterranean?
style Mediterranean street food.
Oh,
Halal too,
in
This
New
is
York.
Chicken kebab right here. Watch your elbow. So whenever you're ready.
You can eat. Good?
Mm-hmm.